To erase Pixel 8a if your touchscreen is not working, we are first going to click and hold power and volume up for 10 seconds, all until the screen is completely black. So any second now, the screen should go black, and around 10 seconds has passed. So release from both power and volume up, and now press and hold power and volume down. Don't take too long to switch the power and volume down, otherwise the phone will boot up without entering the fast boot mode. So we should see fast boot mode any second now, then we can release. If you don't see this, just rewind the video, press the buttons like I do. So now click volume up and keep on clicking until you see recovery mode, and then click the power button to select. Now we will see no command. So the command we need to enter is, while holding the power button, click release volume up. In recovery mode, we can click volume down and keep on clicking until you see wipe data, then click power to select, then click volume down and click power to factory reset. It will then bring you to this screen. Click reboot system now.